Welcome back to Carnival Eats. We're here in the heart of Silicon Valley for the San Mateo County Fair. In a nod to the town's historic roots and its current high-tech industry, this fair's motto is where tradition meets innovation. And our next vendor's about to knock it out of the park with a grand slam. It's opening day for Roger, and he's created a burger that's steamed, not fried. So far, it's been a home run with his fans. It's his World Series Burger.
It's got everything I want on there.
I'm looking at this and I'm very excited.
I've got you, burger!
Oh my goodness.
What is it about a steamed burger? What makes the difference?
The steam keeps it nice and tender and moist, not grilled or fried.
Roger uses ground Angus beef and stuffs it in a tray that's actually designed for steaming burgers. Why are we going square patty?
That's just the way we make them. Got the jalapenos in there, which give it a nice kick. We pack it in there, and then we go to the steam box.
The steam box sits over the grill. The water inside heats up and produces steam that's hot enough to cook the meat.
Oh, look at all that steam. So we put the patty right in there. The cheddar cheese, we also put it in one of these trays. Slap it in there.
All right, so what are we doing now?
We have a nice little egg. We got some fresh sliced pastrami.
Look at this. Beautiful.
We don't want to cook this too long. Gotta flip it real quick. Pick it up. Pick it up. So we're gonna get this patty out of here. 3rd pound beef. We also got the cheese in there.
What are we starting with, Roger?
Fresh brioche bun mustard. Then we're gonna go with the onions.
That steamed
Yes.
rectangular patty.
And we got the cheese.
It's just
Just wraps right on the meat. Then we're gonna get that pastrami that we grilled. Bacon on there.
crispy bacon.
Sliced avocado. And we got our fried egg. Look at that.
I'm looking at it, Roger. Grand Slam with the World Series Burger. Woo! Home run. Every part of this thing is unbelievable. The cheese is melted and just wrapped itself around that burger. The pastrami's off the hook. The bacon's salty and crispy. The fresh avocado. The egg is ooey gooey and runny. But the star of this thing is that steamed burger. It just adds a juiciness and a moisture into each bite that you don't get with a traditional grilled burger. It's the bottom of the ninth. The bases are loaded. Who do you go to? Go to the champs.
This is phenomenal. The pastrami hits me.
Every time I take a bite, I discover something new that I want to eat.